Hi, I'm Joana. I go by Jo. I'm about to talk about quite sensitive topics. It can be triggering, so be aware. I'm taking this exercise as a tool to aid the healing journey I'm in. This is emotional, this is vulnerable, this is something that makes me extremely uncomfortable. During this experience, during this training course, I had the opportunity to speak to amazing people. They are Hungarian social workers that specialize in addiction. And the other day, I approached them to speak about my food addiction. This is a topic I'm extremely ashamed of. There's so much guilt about it. And it really surprises me because I have worked on myself for years. I have worked on my vulnerability. I worked on the way I used to see myself as a victim. But there's so much heaviness that comes from this topic. These amazing people, they spoke about a physician called Gabor Mate. He specializes in addiction and childhood trauma.
Is very hard.
And I found extremely interesting one of the videos I watched of him where he was talking about two fundamental human needs on top of their physical needs. And these are attachment and authenticity.
Some fresh air.
And I had already read about these topics, but the way he talks about this is coming from a different point of view. There's so much compassion, and he no longer talks about willpower. I have felt very frustrated and very stuck for a lot of time. But while doing this exercise, I feel a weight has been lifted off my shoulder. I feel liberated. I feel validated and loved. Thank you for listening.